All right, before we talk about that Razorback baseball, let's cover that forecast going into the regional weekend. Now, of course, we have a little activity out there this evening, spotty showers south of I-40, but really not too much to be concerned about the rest of the night. Going into your Friday, it's going to be mild outside, only daytime highs into those mid to upper 70s, but a lot more sunshine going into our weekend, though. Saturday and Sunday, lots of sunshine, and we get much warmer. Here's a look at Futurecast the rest of this evening. Sure, some spotty showers here and there, mainly south of I-40 is what's going to be in the forecast. Every once in a while, a spotty thunderstorm here and there, but overall, not too much to be concerned about. And by the time we're waking up tomorrow morning, we're going to start off with some sunshine, and then the rest of the day, well, it's going to be really nice outside. It's going to be still mild, though. That wind coming out of the northwest throughout most of the day on our Friday, that's what's going to keep it mild. Now, winds only around 15 up to 20 miles per hour, so not too windy, but a steady stream of some northwest wind. That's what's going to keep those daytime highs only into those mid to upper 70s by the time we get to the afternoon. So northwest Arkansas going into tomorrow, a lot more sunshine breaks out, but you see by the time we get to first pitch at 2 p.m., only around those low to mid 70s, going to be comfortable outside. Daytime highs pretty close to those mid 70s for northwest Arkansas. Across the river valley, yeah, we'll start off into those upper 50s and low 60s. By the time we get to the afternoon, that's when we break out that sunshine. Daytime highs into the upper 70s and low 80s. Really nice for your Friday. Now, also going into the weekend, sure, we're tracking a beautiful weekend, but what we're also tracking is the chance for some wildfire smoke. Now, the hope is that it really doesn't affect our air quality all too much. Again, that's the hope. What really we could see, though, is maybe our sunsets and sunrises looking a bit more vibrant because of that smoke. Fires up in Canada, that smoke eventually going to work our direction by the time we get to Friday night and then through most of your weekend. So if you're sensitive to the smoke, you might notice it coming up this weekend. Northwest Arkansas, over the next 10 days, it looks like this. In warming trend going into the weekend, we'll be back into those low to mid 80s. Should be really nice outside. That active pattern picks back up by the time we get to next Tuesday, and then continuing throughout most of the end of your work week going into next week. Those rain chances will be back into the forecast across the river valley over the next 10 days. Again, tomorrow on the milder side, only into those upper 70s and low 80s, but it starts that warming trend for your Saturday and Sunday. Will be into those mid 80s. By the time we get to the start of next week, it's going to be on the warmer side, upper 80s, plenty of sunshine before those rain chances come back into the forecast.